A popular workflow is to create PDF from a scanned document, either for an electronic archive or to modify a document when you only have the hard copy. Let's look at how users can create, OCR, and edit scanned documents using Foxit PhantomPDF. The first step is to create a PDF document from a hard copy document by using a scanner. The easiest way to accomplish this is to use the Scan button under the Home tab. We can choose the scanner, whether or not you want to create a new document or append the scan to an existing document, or whether you want to OCR the file. We will leave the OCR option unchecked for now and go back to this topic later. We then click on the Scan button and the scanner will scan the document and it will be converted into a PDF. Since we only have one page in this document, we will answer no to this question. If our goal was just to create an online copy or archive, we are now done. However, when a document gets scanned into a PDF, it becomes an image, meaning you cannot select the text, search for the text either within the document or from a system search engine, and you cannot edit or modify the text. The next step is to OCR the document. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition. It is software that enables you to convert scanned documents or images into documents with selectable, searchable, and editable text. We could have OCR'd the document when we created it, but sometimes we receive an un-OCR'd scanned document from others that we must OCR afterwards. Pro tip: to quickly tell if a PDF you receive from others is from a scanned image, try to select text. If you cannot select the text and you want to perform additional operations on the document, then you need to OCR the document. To OCR the document, first save the document by clicking File and then Save. For this example, we'll save it to the desktop and give it the name Scan. Then click on the Convert tab and then click on the OCR button. The next thing we want to do is check to make sure the OCR engine correctly identified the language. Where we can see it correctly chose English. We will then make sure the editable text button is also chosen. After that, we hit OK. After the OCR is completed, I can perform additional functions on the document. I can click on the Select Text and Image button, and then I can copy and paste text from this document and put it into another document using Control-C and Control-V or other Windows copy and paste options. So now there is text in the Word document. It can also be searchable from both within the document and from system search and index solutions. And lastly, now I can edit the text of the document, and this is extremely valuable when I have to make a change to the document and I only have the hard copy. To edit the document, I now click on the Edit tab and then the Edit Text button, and then click on the text that I want to modify. As you can see, the PhantomPDF paragraph editing capabilities automatically reflows the text, making edit documents quick and easy. You can also see the spell check function has identified a few misspellings that I can now go back and fix. If you need further assistance, please contact Foxit Support 24/7.